Hola Squalene, you must be wondering why I started my video like that. Well, this video is gonna be about the Squalene range from Pilgrim, and it is an excellent emollient. It mimics your skin's natural oil, guys, and it is an element which helps in hydrating your skin. Now this range is made from the olives from Spain. Now this is a natural lipid which is produced in our body, but in our 20s and 30s it gets decreased and then we get this rougher and drier skin. So I will be thoroughly talking about how I use this range in order to get beautiful skin. If you use my code IBB15, you're gonna get extra 15% off, guys. And I start by using this foaming face wash. It also has this brush which is made up of silicone, and it is such an amazing face wash, guys. It doesn't dry out your skin. It has squalene which helps in thoroughly cleansing up your face without drying it off. It has this non-drying formula which helps in removing skin impurities and helps in hydrating your skin. It has extracts of kiwi and vitamin B5 which helps in nourishing your skin. The best part about Pilgrim's products are they are free from sulfates and parabens, and it is 100% safe to use. So once I end up using this product, guys, it just helps in making my skin glow and makes it beautiful. It is gonna be this Squalene roll-on under eye serum which helps in removing the puffiness and dark circles you have around your eyes. And I have so bad dark circles, guys. This is something you already know. So this has caffeine and retinol which helps in treating your under eye circles, reduces puffy eye bags, and it also helps in treating the fine lines and wrinkles. I love the packaging of the product. It is very easy to apply, guys, and it helps in giving a cooling effect immediately. After that, guys, I follow it up with Pilgrim Squalane Glow Sleeping Mask which has alpha-arbutin and hyaluronic acid. The products are vegan, cruelty-free, no toxic chemicals, guys, and no parabens or sulfates. And it also comes up with this very tiny beautiful stick. I just use my fingers to apply it all over my face. I dot it over and then I massage it in my skin. We all know that arbutin helps in fading away the dark spots or the blemishes we have on our face, and hyaluronic acid helps in hydrating the skin, making it more smooth and supple. The product is so lightweight, guys. It gets absorbed in your skin very quickly and it leaves this beautiful glow on your skin. It is a non-greasy formula, guys, and I believe it is gonna be ideal for summers, and I love the glow it imparts to my face. This was my skincare routine, guys. I really hope that you liked it. I have such a glowy face because of this range. Recently, I just started using it and I'm loving the results. Don't forget to use my code IBB15 to get 15% off. I will make sure that I give the product link in the description box below. I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. I love you guys so much.